Okay, today we are on this page, renaming to add. Now we know that our math has a special little language all of its own, and it's the way we picture numbers. So we have numbers. You get my board? That's our narrative writing sheet. We have places in our numbers that picture different things. We have ones. That tells us how many little yellow cubes we have. We have tens. That tells us how many sticks of 10. And we have hundreds. That tells us how many of those red plates of hundreds that we have. So depending on where the number is, if I put an 8 right here, what does that mean? That means I have 80. If I put an 8 right here, what does that mean? That means I have 800. So we can change a number by where we put it. Okay, so people understand numbers this way. They understand if there's an 8 over here, it just means 8 ones, or 8 tens, or 8 hundreds, okay? So today we have this problem. I'm going to put this on my board so I can flop it around. Hold it up for you to see. And the problem says 24 plus 8. So if we look at 24, it's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Got it? Plain and simple. And 8 is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But remember, once we get past 9 ones, it can't live in the ones house. We need to trade it out for a what? A 10. Let's see if we can make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle 10 red dots. Circle 10 red dots, mark it out, and trade it for a stick of 10, because that's where it should be, is in the tens. Alright, so now how many ones are left over? 2. Alright, so what we had is we had 12 ones, and we had 2 tens. Alright, let's look at these numbers. Follow carefully now. How many tens are in this? 1 group of 10 and 2 ones. So this group of 10 has to move over to here. Okay? So we're actually adding 2 plus 1 is 3. And 2 little ones left over, that can go in the ones place. Okay? But this 1 group of 10s needs to move over here with the 10s. Because you cannot add 10s and 1s together because they mean different things. You have to add 10 sticks of 10 with sticks of 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. That's 32. Okay? Let's look at this one. We've got 15 and we've got 5. Well, how many sticks of 10 do we have? 1. And how many 5s do we have? How many 1s do we have? Well, we have 5 down here and we have 5 up here. Alright, so what is 5 plus 5? 10. Can we put 10 in the ones place? No, we cannot. Can we put a 0 in the ones place? Yes. And we put this group of 10 over with the groups of 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. We can trade this out for a group of 10. 10, 20. Is that what we got? 20. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, this 3 doesn't go with this problem, so I'm just going to mark it out. This problem says 46 plus 4. How many 10s do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 4 groups of 10, which is 40. How many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what's in the ones place is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's in the ones place is a 4. What is 6 plus 4? We can count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're adding these together, 6 plus 4, because we're adding all of our ones together, and we get 10. Can 10 fit in the ones place? No, that's a stick of 10. That doesn't go in the ones place. We can have 0 ones and 1 more stick of 10. So we're going to put 1 more stick of 10 over here. And carry this over to the 10s because it's a stick of 10. Now we've got 1 stick of 10 plus 4 sticks of 10. 1 stick of 10 plus 4 sticks of 10. How many sticks of 10? 50. So neat. All right, so we're adding all of these ones, and how many will we get? Well, let's see. There's 9 ones up here and 7 down here. So I'm just going to start at 9 because I know it says they're 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 ones. Can that fit in the ones place? No, it cannot. Does it have any ones? Yes, it has 6 ones. So I can put the 6 in the ones place. And where can I put this group of 10? Up with the groups of 10, because it's another stick of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle that group of 10. Mark it out and add another group of 10 up here, a stick of 10. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 ones left. That's why we put a 6 in the ones place. Now we're going to add another group of 10 to these 3. 1 plus 3, which is what we have in numbers over here. 1 plus 3 is 4 groups of 10. All right, so what you have to know is the ones stay with the ones, but once you get to 10, you got to move it to the groups of 10. Let's just keep working on it, and let's see if we can get it. We're going to read this story problem together. Owen read 15 pages before dinner. All right, I'm going to write down a 15 because I know that's going to be a number I probably need to remember. He read 8 pages after dinner. How many pages did Owen read in all? All of it goes into the bowl. What are we doing? We're trying to figure out all. We are adding. So we're adding 15 plus 8. Where do I put the 8? Under the 1? Is it 8 groups of 10 or is it 8 ones? It's 8 ones. So I put it under the ones because this is the ones place. This is the tens place. Can you see that? What is 5 plus 8? We've already been learning this. Do you remember? 5 plus 8 is 13. Can 13 fit in the ones place? I see a group of 10 there. No, it cannot. How many ones are in 13? 3. So 3 goes in the ones place. Where does this group of 10 go? In the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 23 pages is what he read. Write down your answer, 23. All right, let's go to the next page. We're going to do it together because this is all very new. I want you to take this up here and I want you to mark it out. Okay, mark it out. Mamas, we are not doing that. We are going to do these 2 problems because I want our train of thought to continue. All right, let's look at 13 plus 8. So what we have is 10, 11, 12, 13 on the top number. We should have 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count 8 red dots, so that is 13 plus 8. Do you think we need to find a 10? Let's see if we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I found a group of 10. So I'm going to mark this out and add another 10 up here. We'll have to add them together. Now how many ones are left over? 1. So I'm going to put a 1 there, and I'm going to put this extra group of 10 that I found in the tens place. What is 1 10 plus 1 10? 2 tens. Is it starting to make sense yet? All right, do we need to rename on this one? Let's see if we can make a group of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We cannot, because 9 is just 9. It's not 10 yet. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Do we have any extra 10s to carry over? No, we couldn't trade it out for a 10. So we just have 1. 1 and nothing is 1. 19. Very good. All right, so just remember, if the number gets up to 10, you're going to have to put the ones with the ones and carry that group of 10 over to the tens place, okay? And we'll keep working on it so you will get better at it. Do your clocks, and then you will be done with math. All right, good job. Thank you so much for trying and learning something new and brave. You're doing very good.